Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I am just outside enjoying this beautiful day, and I thought I would just kind of bring you along for what I'm doing. I am putting some buckets in my garden beds. I'm going to be trying a new method called vermicomposting, I believe it's called. I've been really wanting to do worm composting for a long time, but a lot of people do them in those bins, and I don't. Summers just get too hot around here, and I don't have like a controlled temperature to keep them in, and I don't want to kill them. So, and I'm not bringing them in my house. So, I thought I had seen someone do this style called vermicomposting. I'll link her video. I'm forgetting the name right now. I'll link the video that I had seen it from down below. But it's just a really cool way to do like in-ground composting and get some like worm castings going. That doesn't require like that worm bin method. So I'm gonna try that. I just buried 4 of them in garden beds. I think I'm gonna put the other 2. I have 6 of them all together. I'm gonna be putting the other 2 in the side garden. Yeah. So the weather is finally kind of starting to warm up, and hopefully I can plant some things in the garden here soon. Nighttime temperatures are kind of still dipping low, so I'm very hesitant. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be kind of just bringing you along with what I do this week. Lately, life has been busy, and I can't get multiple videos out a week. So I'm just gonna try for 1 video a week of kind of what's going on in my life. But as you guys can see, my tomato starts and pepper starts are very exciting. We're getting really close to getting the in-ground beds done in the garden. I will be doing a garden tour here shortly, just so you guys can see everything that's happened. It's not much, but we're getting there. So I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing today, but I'll bring you along if I do something. Okay, so I'm out here in the garden. It's a few hours later after burying those buckets, but I just want to show you guys what I did. I have a bucket here with the bottom drilled out, and then I drilled holes in the sides. So the idea is you bury this in your garden bed, and then the holes are for aeration and also for worms to get through, and also the bottom. And you're gonna fill it with your compost materials, like kitchen scraps, and then also like maybe cardboard shreddings. I'm gonna do some hay, just some of your brown materials. And a lot of people with the vermicomposting add the worms, obviously, but I'm hoping to attract the worms. And then you get your own worm castings inside your garden beds. So I'm hoping that this will be a better way to attract some worms to the garden bed. So the in-ground method or in-bed method of vermicomposting is a lot better, I think, because it keeps it cool in there, versus like the bin method. We easily get to like 115 in the summer here, so I'm not going to be doing like the bin method. So I'm hoping that these being buried in a garden bed, it will be a lot cooler for the worms, and I will get some worm castings. So, and then that would be a nice way to just scoop out and spread to other areas of my garden. Okay, so we got food scraps, some egg carton, old egg cartons ripped up. I'm adding a little bit of hay, and then we're gonna top it with some compost to kind of cover it up and make it dark for the worms. And then we're gonna get it wet. We're gonna water it in. Okay, so it's a few days later, and I have these 3 persimmon trees. My neighbor stopped by and he asked if I wanted them, and I said sure. So I've never grown persimmons. We had a persimmon tree growing up, but it never produced. So these, I scanned them on my little plant app, and it's calling them a Japanese persimmon. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on how to grow persimmon trees, let me know in the comments. I kind of lined them up here. I don't know if you can. So 1, 2, and 3. Chickens are eating the weeds that are in them. And I think I'm just going to take 1 scoop with the backhoe of the tractor, and we're going to get them planted today. Might have to be a little later when my husband gets home because I got my son napping. So, but I just wanted to kind of line them up, see where I wanted them. I might move them to the other side because we have 2 trees right. Where am I? Got 2 trees right here, and I don't know if the backhoe will reach on this side or not. So I hope we can plant them on this side though. So yeah, so I'll show you guys that next. I'm going to fertilize with a just all-purpose fertilizer that I have, and then I'm gonna put bone meal down, I believe. So here are the persimmon trees up close. They're not the nicest looking things, but according to online, you should prune them in the winter time. So I think I'm just gonna plant them. We'll let them grow, get the roots developed, and then maybe next winter we will prune them a little bit better, just to kind of get a better shape. And so we'll see. I'm really excited to have persimmon trees though. Okay, got 3 holes dug. Now I'm gonna go collect some dirt, and we're gonna get these buried hopefully before my son wakes up. As you can see, we have so many rocks in our soil. It's very annoying. Hi ladies. We're gonna see if this thing even lives. It looks like it's dry as bone. Anyone growing persimmons? Is that the tree root? Because I kind of don't think so. It looks like a weed. Okay, so I need to get lime and bone meal for the hole before I bury it. Okay, I got lime and lead meal here that I'm just going to spread in the hole. And of course, I'm out of time again. Got 1 tree planted. Having a kid is no joke. You can't get anything done, it feels like. But that's okay, because I really, really love them. So let me show you. I got my persimmon tree in, or yeah, persimmon. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath. Out of shape, people. Got one persimmon tree in. So I'm gonna put the hose on it for a little bit. I gotta water everything I just planted today. These are gonna have to be done another day. Raking out the dirt's gonna have to be done another day. I gotta go pick up my son. So yeah, I'm excited I at least got one in. So they do kind of look like older trees. My neighbor had just given these to me, and yeah, I'm just gonna try them. These are like, my app scanned them as a Japanese persimmon, and they kind of, the wood looks a little older on them, so I'm just gonna try them. If they don't work, I'll rip them out. But I put the cage around them because I don't want the chickens to dig up and make like dust baths and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna plant the other one. I don't know when I'm gonna get around to that, but I'll show you that on the next garden tour. I'm gonna end this video here. This was a whole week of my life, just showing you random projects I was doing here and there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.